Today I will show you how to connect Squarespace domain to Odoo. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Then we're going to go to account dashboard. And we're going to log into our Odoo account. And from here, we're going to click on this icon and we're going to go to my databases. Find the database that you want. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this arrow and you're going to go to domain names. Now on the domain name, you're going to click on use my own domain. And here, we're going to go to Squarespace. We're going to go to domains right next to the dashboard. We're going to go to domains. Now we're going to find the domain that we want to include to this Odoo database. We're going to come to the domain. We're going to click on the domain and we're going to copy it. Once we copy, we're going to paste it here. Now, once pasted, we're going to click on verify. Now it says we need to add the www to the domain. Now we're going to click on verify again. Now, as you can see below here, it says perform the following operations in your domain manager. So it's asking us to create a CNAME record with our domain, and it's going to point to e-commerce 65. That's our database with Odoo. So we're going to copy this database link, and we're going to go to Squarespace. On the left sidebar, we're going to click on DNS, and it's going to load to DNS settings automatically. And from here, we're going to add record. For the host, we're going to use www. For the type, we're going to use CNAME. We're going to use e-commerce 65.odoo.com, which is the link that we copied from Odoo. Now we're going to click on save. And it says a new record was saved. So we're going to go back to Odoo, and now we're going to verify. Now it says DNS configuration seems good. And now we can confirm that it's done. Now, congratulations, the domain is being set up. And that's how you connect Squarespace domain to Odoo. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.